Jai Srimannarayana. 54th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Bhaktya tu ananyaya sekyaha ahamevam vidhorjuna ज्ञातुं द्रष्टुञ्च तत्त्वेन प्रवेष्टुञ्च परन्तप ॐ Realize that only by undivided devotion, only by single-minded devotion, only by exclusive loving devotion, only by narrowed down devotion towards Krishna Paramatma, you will be able to see Krishna Paramatma. You will be able to know Sri Krishna Paramatma. You will be able to understand Sri Krishna Paramatma's majesty. You will be able to enjoy Sri Krishna Paramatma's compassion. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Masuchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I realize that only by having exclusive loving devotion towards you, only by having a single-minded devotion towards you, only by having narrowed down devotion towards you, only by having undivided devotion towards you, I realize that I can understand you, I can see you, I can enjoy your divine compassion. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukadamrutadravasanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 206th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma in the form of so many boys and so many baby cows entered into Brindavanam, and all the mothers taking care of their children by giving so many services to them, they are all enjoying. And also Krishna Paramatma with so many forms, with so many miraculous activities, he is keeping all the people in Brindavanam very happy. And all the cows, by seeing their baby cows, Gavastato Goshtamupetya Satvaram Hunkara Ghoshaihi Parihuta Sangatan, Govulella Ambayani Chiri Hummanuchu Perichi Murkoni Panchitilli. All the cows, by seeing their baby cows with so much of happiness which is greater than the previous happiness, all the cows running towards the baby cows while saying Amba, Amba, like that, while inviting baby cows. All the cows are looking at their baby cows, smelling their baby cows, and then with so much of excitement, they are even releasing their urination, the cows. And they also stretching out their tongues and then touching their baby cows, giving milk to the baby cows. So like that, because Krishna Paramatma himself is there in so many baby cows forms, those cows are feeling extremely happy. And now Krishna Paramatma, in the form of so many boys, so many baby cows, how they were behaving earlier, in the same way now Krishna Paramatma also behaving just like that and giving happiness to the mothers, to the cows. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 54th sloka. Bhaktiyatvananyaya sekyaha ahamevam vidhorjuna jnatum drashtuncha tatvena praveshtuncha parantapa. Bhaktiyatvananyaya sekyaha ahamevam vidhorjuna jnatum drashtuncha tatvena praveshtuncha parantapa. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.